check increases as well. We will be continue to be focused on obviously the fight this week happening on the Hill with the CR that's expiring, the continuing resolution expiring on Thursday. Right, and focusing on immigration reform as well.
One more question. When will the president make a decision on this? Is it days away or weeks away still?
A decision, I apologize.
I'm speaking with Mueller's team.
Again, I refer you to his personal attorney. It's up to them to decide how to proceed forward. We, again, stay very focused on ensuring the president today, for example, is getting briefed on the issue of MS-13, something that impacts communities across the country with increasing violence, something the president wants to take care of, ensure that we are able to provide safe communities for Americans.
Important topic, indeed.
Very important topic that the president wants to make sure we push forward.
What does the president want the American people to understand about the wild ride on the markets yesterday and likely again today?
Well, obviously we're concerned about setbacks that happen in the stock market, but with that being said, we're looking at the long, strong economic fundamentals. What we're seeing is a strengthened economic growth, increased wages. We're focused on the fact that there's been a lowest unemployment that we've seen, benefits coming from a tax cut law, as well as a deregulation component that, as we know, when you have those two put together, in addition to investing in our infrastructure, those are the strong fundamentals that we need for economic growth, which, as we have witnessed, is happening right now in terms of when you look at our GDP growth and the fact that you've seen our wages increase.
Let's keep it moving. I think we can all agree on that. Last question. Did the president sing the praises of the Dow, of a rising Dow, too loudly and too often, Mercedes?
Yeah, I mean, I think that when you look at it under this president, you've seen the Dow go up 7,000 points. We've created $8 trillion in wealth. You're seeing corporations saying, we're moving back to America. America's open for business. We're creating jobs in America.